Hey guys, my name is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day today. Today I want to teach you how to play a very simple little chorus called Lord You Are More Precious Than Silver. Very simple chorus to play. In my description below there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs. You can download the lyrics and chord chart that I'll be using to this song. So let's get started. Lord, you are more precious than silver. Lord, you are more costly than gold. Lord, you are more beautiful than diamonds, and nothing I desire compares with you. Okay, I'm playing this song in the key of D, and then using the A chord, and then G major. And those are all the chords that you'll be using for this song. So very simple chorus to play. And just a quick review of the chords. To play the D major chord, you place finger number 1 on this string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 1 on the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings but the very top 2 strings. That makes the D major chord, okay? And A major, you can play that in a number of ways. I typically just use my middle finger to bar across these 3 strings here and keep this 1st string ringing to make the A major. You can use all 3 fingers here on the 2nd fret on strings number 2, 3, and 4 and strum all strings but the very top E string. Or you can place finger number 1 on the 3rd string and finger number 2 on the 4th string, and then number 3, 3rd finger on the 2nd string, all again on the 3rd fret. Just whichever way you feel comfortable playing the A, but I just simply bar it using my middle finger there, and it gives me more room to just use one finger. Okay, so that's the A major chord. And then the G major, you just place finger number 1 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string on the 3rd fret, and then finger number 4 on the very bottom E string on the 3rd fret, strum all strings, and that's the G major. So that's all the chords actually be used in this song. So if you look at the chord progression up above, and I'm just using a simple down, up, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. Just keep it, I'll try to keep everything simple. Okay, so with the D major, so it just goes, Lord, you are more precious than silver. Okay, and then basically you just hang on to that D a little bit longer and you're playing the same chords again. Lord, you are more costly than gold. Then back to D again. Lord, you are more beautiful than diamonds. Okay, and then on nothing, on those 2 syllables, I'm doing a G. Nothing so on nothing, I'm using the G. Then on the word I, using the D. I desire. Then on the 2nd syllable of desire, use the A. Compares with you. So look at that last line again. Nothing I desire compares with you. Very simple little course to learn. This course is used a lot of times in invitation times as well. So it's a song that we're talking directly to God about how precious He is, and nothing compares to our Lord Jesus Christ. If you enjoyed this lesson and you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button after the video. If you're not a current subscriber, I'd like for you to subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. You'll also be notified when I upload new videos. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Thank you for tuning in today. So have a great day. God bless you.